Did you know your Android phone is constantly tracking you? It's constantly sharing your location, listening on your phone calls and text messages, and sharing that all with Google in addition to all the third-party apps. But worst of all, you can see all of these are turned on by default, and you need to manually turn those off to help protect your privacy. I'll walk you through that entire process, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your Android phone. So from the home screen, let's swipe up, and there is the Settings app. Let's open it up from here. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Google on this list. There is Google. Just tap on that. And now we'll scroll down to this second section, privacy and security. The first thing that we will look for is personalize using shared data. And it says it will basically use your shared data, aka all of the data from your Apple Maps, from various apps that are on here, your device contacts, and it will share it with Google in addition to third-party apps. I don't know about you, but I don't necessarily want to share that information with anyone else. I want it to be private and protected on my Android phone. So I would recommend turning all of these off. So completely close out of all of these, turn them all off. Now you might have more on here depending on which apps you have on your phone. Now let's hit the back button at the top left. And now still within this privacy and security section, let's tackle ads, because everything you do on your Android phone will be used to sell you better ads. Ultimately, Android/Google is an advertising company. So let's tap on ads here. And you'll be able to see it says manage how info is used to show you ads and measure ad performance, aka when you're talking to a friend about a new TV that you like and you all of a sudden see an ad for a TV. So let's turn off all of these. The first thing we're going to do is hit reset advertising ID and hit confirm. But we need to go a couple steps further. We're also going to delete your advertising ID. It says apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. Great. I don't need Facebook or any other app advertising to me better by using all the data that I do on my Android phone. So I'm going to hit delete advertising ID, but there's one more step. Let's go to add privacy at the top, scroll down and go to add measurement. You can see allow ad measurement. The first thing I will do is reset this so that it resets how effective ads are to advertise to me on my phone. And I'm going to also turn this feature completely off. Now, after you've done that, let's go back 1 and back 2 and back 3. Now we're in the Google services still in the privacy and security section here. We're going to do the last thing directly at the bottom, usage and diagnostics. This shares all of your usage for apps, even your data for motion, for tracking you, your phone calls, all of that stuff. It's anonymized, but it's then ultimately sent to Google and other parties so that it can better track you and then also better advertise to you. I would recommend if that is turned on, I would highly recommend turning it off. It doesn't really add any benefit to you on your Android phone, so I would recommend turning it off. I hope this helps. Again, if it did, hit the subscribe button down below. That's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.